I'm Gil, Motorcycle Sound Systems Miami. Part 2 of what we've been working with the Advanblack fiberglass extended kit. Doing a little selfie stick action, so just bear with me. So what we've done here is that we installed it to the self-installation mocking station that we have here. We're testing today only the lids and eights. Nothing inside of the lids. We're just trying to see how she plays, how she sounds. What we did over here, we're using, let me flip us around. As you see, everything fits nice and neat. Looks good too. Looks real good. So what we're using is the Chavez CMI 160s with 404, 1204, DSR1. We are using eights. It's a mid bass. It is the Chavez CME 201s. Just arrived from Italy the other day. Using diamond tweeters on the lids. Let me see carefully. There's no hardware, so we're just sitting down on top the mocking station. It has the seals on it. It's heavy enough to stay put. So we're gonna go ahead and play it and see how she sounds.
All I need is your love tonight. There'll be no darkness tonight. Your love will shine.
It's about time you know you say. And if you're looking at the mirror, you know like a reflection. Good time that you know you say. You see, judgment is close and the clock is ticking. It's about time you know you say. You need to fly with eagles and not walk with chickens. Time that you know you say.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again.
Okay, so we played it. Sounds really darn good. The airspace is just perfect. You know, note that most drivers are tested at 1 cubic foot anyway. Quality end stuff gets tested at 1 cubic foot in their laboratories. And then displacement of the magnet and so on and so forth. But we don't have hardware, so it's one of the reasons we were holding it down. The vibration that we were getting is because the bags are vibrating. There's no hardware at all on the saddlebag. So it's just a saddlebag lid sitting on top of it. Very happy. Everything fits good, looks good. Next test is going to be with the 10-inch drivers. We'll end up cutting the bags next week. As you can see, got Gil Jr. here, Alex, Bogota White. We're working hard, trying to make things happen. If you got questions about the product, give us a call, email, text us, Facebook, Instagram, and we'll be happy to give the information on the Advanblack Boss Kit. Thanks.